Hello, this is Alana Murphy, and this is the Sas Viya 7 demo. So first we're going to start by opening the data set we'll be working with. And then it was called VA1 Practice 3.1. Okay, and then we're asked to view the items in the data pane. What is the classification of employee ID and manager at one level? Employee ID is a category, and manager at one level, that is a measure. So that's taken care of. We can move on to changing the classification of that last one to a category. So we can go back, change it and click category. There we are. And then we can change the format for annual salary to $13.2. So let's go find annual salary, format, $13.2. Okay. So next to employee ID, we're going to edit some of these names. So first we're going to go find employee ID. For name, we're just going to make it ID. Instead of employee name, we're going to change it to name. And we're going to change this to manager ID. And then frequency, we're going to change to number of employees. And then we're going to click the data source menu and select refresh employees clean at the top of the data pane to collapse the data items. So refresh employees clean, and then all. Now we're going to save. And we're going to name it Save. All right, and it looks like that's all we have time for. So thank you.